Calling me the sugar where they your tea. Calling me the honey where they your bee. Anything.
Baby, see, I promise you, I'm spending just 2 days.
That's what we said the last time.
Just 2 days, No problem, dear.
No problem, I'll be waiting.
Mind for me now. No problem. See my wife now. She get back. She get back. Are you having good?
If you don't
I
love
do
me,
like my wife.
tell me.
I do like my wife. Oh, I don't like it. See my wife. Oh, the cabman is here. Take now. All right.
Please drive carefully.
All right,
please.
all right,
And then be safe.
Okay now. Don't worry now.
So
I don't miss my flight, Take care now. Go inside now. You too like your husband. Take care.
I don't bring the girl come for you.
Okay. Hope she did well.
When you take one to not deliver am for you where
The girl fine past my wife, she be.
like am na full option. She carry back, carry front.
I will put her in 70 position in 1 minute. She should prepare for me. I will jump on her.
Yeah, no problem. I dey wait you, she dey here.
I want to put you in 70 position in 1 minute. Today. Oh shit! Jesus!
So, this is your business trip you are going to, Abi?
Last born. My marriage. Hey.
Don't worry, you meet me at home. Nonsense, man.
Last born, why now?
I beg not just come my name for this one. See, I be God-fearing cabman. I no dey support bad thing. Settle your marriage.
Hey. I would like to know.